Ever pondered the significance of healthy skin and the multitude of factors that contribute to it? Well, today we dive into the fascinating world of skincare, exploring the top 5 ways to cultivate a radiant and healthy complexion. So buckle up as we embark on an enlightening journey, armed with the knowledge of nutrition, rest, hydration, clean environments, and a stress-free lifestyle. First up, the food on your plate. It might surprise you to learn that what you eat can have a profound impact on your skin's health. Consuming a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can help you maintain skin that is as healthy on the inside as it looks on the outside. Foods high in antioxidants, like berries, spinach, and nuts, can help combat the damaging effects of free radicals, while healthy fats from fish and avocados can contribute to a supple and glowing complexion. Next, we delve into the importance of getting enough rest. Quality sleep is not just crucial for your overall health, but it's also a key ingredient for a healthy skin. During sleep, your body works to repair and regenerate skin cells, combating the signs of aging and enabling you to wake up to a refreshed and rejuvenated complexion. So, prioritizing a good night's sleep is more than just beauty sleep. It's a fundamental part of maintaining skin health. Hydration is our third stop on this journey. Access to clean water and staying adequately hydrated is crucial for keeping your skin looking and feeling its best. Water helps to flush out toxins from the body and aids in maintaining skin elasticity, reducing the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. So remember to hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Fourth on our list is the importance of a clean environment. Exposure to pollutants, dust, and harsh weather conditions can wreak havoc on your skin, leading to premature aging, breakouts, and a dull complexion. Therefore, maintaining a clean environment both indoors and out is essential for achieving and maintaining healthy skin. Last but certainly not least, we delve into the world of stress management. A stress-free lifestyle can work wonders for your skin. Chronic stress can lead to inflammation and exacerbate skin problems like acne and eczema. Incorporating stress-reducing activities into your daily routine, such as meditation, yoga, or simply taking a walk in nature, can significantly benefit your skin health. So there you have it, 5 fundamental ways to create a healthy skin: good food, enough rest, access to clean water, a clean environment, and a stress-free lifestyle. Each contributes to a radiant and healthy complexion in its unique way. From nourishing your body from within, promoting cellular repair and regeneration, ensuring optimal hydration, protecting against environmental damage, and managing stress levels. Remember, healthy skin is not just about looking good. It's a reflection of your overall health and well-being. So take care of your skin, and it will undoubtedly reward you with a radiant glow.